Are you an Etsy seller looking to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips on how to optimize your Etsy listings and increase your chances of success. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Tip number 1: catchy titles. The first thing potential buyers see is your listing title. Make it attention-grabbing and descriptive. Use relevant keywords that buyers might search for, but be sure to keep it concise and easy to read. Remember, a great title will make your listing stand out in search results and attract more clicks. Tip number 2: stellar product descriptions. When it comes to Etsy, the devil is in the details. Craft detailed and accurate descriptions for your products. Highlight the unique features, materials used, and any customization options available. Be sure to include measurements, care instructions, and other pertinent information. A well-crafted description helps buyers make informed decisions and increases their confidence in your product. Tip number 3: eye-catching photos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and on Etsy, it's your first impression. Invest time and effort in creating high-quality, well-lit product photos. Showcase your items from different angles and include close-ups for intricate details. Don't forget to capture your product in use or styled creatively. Remember, the better your photos, the more likely buyers will be enticed to click and explore further. Tip number 4: pricing strategy. Finding the sweet spot for your pricing is crucial. Do some research on similar products and consider your costs, time investment, and the market demand. Keep in mind that offering competitive prices can attract more buyers, especially if you're just starting out. Experiment with different price points, and don't be afraid to adjust as you go along. Tip number 5: tags and categories. Maximize your visibility by selecting relevant tags and categories for your listings. Use specific and accurate keywords that describe your product. Think about what potential buyers might search for and include those terms in your tags. Properly categorizing your listings ensures they appear in the right search results and increases the chances of reaching your target audience. Tip number 6: SEO optimization. SEO, search engine optimization, isn't just for websites. Apply SEO techniques to your Etsy listings to improve their visibility in search results. Use keywords strategically throughout your listing, including in the title, description, tags, and even in your shop's policies. Optimizing your listings for search engines can help drive organic traffic and increase your chances of making sales. Tip number 7: customer reviews and feedback. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews and feedback on your Etsy shop. Positive reviews build trust and credibility, which can attract more buyers. Respond promptly and professionally to any reviews, addressing any concerns or issues raised. Show your customers that their satisfaction is your top priority. And there you have it. 7 valuable tips to optimize your Etsy listings and boost your sales. Remember, success on Etsy takes time and effort, so stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt your strategies as needed. With these optimization techniques, you'll be well on your way to achieving Etsy greatness. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Etsy content. If you have any questions or additional tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Happy selling on Etsy, and until next time, stay creative and keep thriving.